Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm using my dinosaur phone today. I've been trying to upload something for like 3 days on my other one that I filmed with it. I don't got no minutes on it or nothing. That's how I roll. But anyway, I got it broke loose here. But I recently put together a kit using some bits and pieces that we have used on this channel prior to this. So these are a few of my gizmos that I like to carry. So I got a bark spud, a little combo here. It's an awl on one end and a bark spud on the other. And I know you could say, oh, well, you could just carry those two and not carry one of those. I don't care what you guys do. So just let me carry as much stuff as I want to, please, and thank you. But anyway, I got a half of a rasp. Just cut a rasp in half, and got a half of one. And I got another small piece of file that I can use for touching up any of my tools or what have you. But this stuff all fits in this guy right here. Nice and neat. This last one likes to try to stab through the side if you just shove it. So you can't just stuff it. That's everything. Butcher, was you thirsty, bub? Was you thirsty? The bee boy's okay. The dog was thirsty. And I got just another short piece of inner tube that holds this dude closed. And that's how. So she runs pretty small. Overall, folks like to know sizes. We're looking at about 4.5 inches by 1.5 inches by 1 inch. So here's a comparison to a Bic lighter. Not too much bigger than the Bic. So throw that in the bottom of a pack or a haversack in this case. But what I also did, just to keep a piece of buckskin handy, I rolled this dude up in this buckskin. Nice and tight. And I took this long piece of, I can't remember what I was on a video and they said if you cut them in little pieces it's a something band, and if you leave them in long pieces it's a something else band. And I cannot remember for the life of me where I saw that video at, so I can't remember what they're called, but I'll find it eventually. It'll pop up somewhere. I'll wrap this little extra piece. Boop. So it gives me a piece of buckskin, extra little piece of Ranger band there. And as a matter of fact, I think I'm going to cut a few longer pieces while I'm out here at the shop, but pretty small. I wouldn't worry about that rubbing. Just that inner tube alone I think would be okay to not rub through the side of a bag, but this little bit of extra would make me feel much better. But anywho, there's one of our do-it-yourself inner tube pouch kits. Alright guys, I appreciate the support. Now check out our Instagram at Bushcraft Kelso. Find us on the IG. Us meaning me and my goat, because that's the only two people that work for me. Just me and the goat. And check out bushcraftkelso.com for things and stuff, gizmos and gadgets. And we'll have some more stuff coming for you right here shortly. Maybe some special content this weekend from some place that we don't get to go that often. You never know what's going to happen. Anyway, y'all have a good week. Thanks again.